Pain. When we get injured due to hurt to our body, we feel pain. This is physical pain. When someone near and dear one dies, we feel pain. This is mental pain. Whenever we are harmed internally or externally, we feel pain. Pain in any part of the body is a clear symptom that there is some problem in that particular part of the body. Physical pain can be relieved by visiting the hospital and taking prescribed medicines with necessary precautions. It may take few days to heal up, but once healing process starts, pain starts reducing simultaneously. Medical science has advanced so much that in majority cases we have super specialty hospitals with qualified and experienced doctors who can tackle problems related with physical pain. If one is health cautious and take care of food and body, maybe he or she may not have to visit any hospital in life. Majority of the physical pain can be managed by specialist doctors. Research in the medical science is already going on how to reduce pain further. Mental pain is more serious and difficult to manage than the physical pain. If someone's young son dies, it is a trauma for the parents, brother or sister and grandparents. Now, how to cope up with this kind of mental pain and which hospital or doctor to visit? People will come and visit you. They will give solace by expressing sympathy. This will be for some time as everybody is busy in their routine works. After few days you are left alone, and as you are alone, the memories of deceased will start coming in the mind. You will weep, you will feel like banging your head in the wall. People around you will say, be strong, everybody has to pass through this. There is no one in the world who has born, won't die. Everybody has to die one day. But what about the mental pain? Do you think by listening to all this, your pain will be relieved? No, friend. It is easy to say, but is very painful for the affected person to implement. Apart from physical and mental pain, there is also a spiritual pain. You have everything in life, good parents, good family, good wife, good children, good money, big house, big car, but still you have pain. Even with every comforts of the world, you feel pain, and that is spiritual pain. Majority of the people on earth have some problem or the other. So they are after money because they think by money they will have all the physical comforts, and once physical comforts are there, mental comforts will follow. Even if they meet some saint, they will say that we don't need spiritual comfort, we only need physical comforts, we need money. What you are saying or preaching is not required. Once they get money, but even then they feel pain, and this pain is spiritual pain. They do not understand the meaning of God. They do not understand life phenomenon. For example, outside and inside there is air. If by chance your inner air stops, you will die. Not the outside world, but if outside air by some reason stops, then entire world will die. A person is born by pain, and when dead leaves pain behind. The journey of life is from pain to pain. We are able to live because we keep ourselves engaged in time pass of false pleasures. Within the circumference of pain is the pleasure. We undergo pain so that we can get pleasure. As an infant, one has to go through pain as he or she cannot walk or talk. Even defecation, urination has to be done on bed. All diseases such as chickenpox, pneumonia, cold, cough, stomach ache, etc. are painful. As you grow, then studies give lot of mental pain. One has to pass through the pain of relationships and unemployment. Once you turn old, then there is no end to the pain. There is pain in knee, back, and pain from diseases like blood pressure, spondylitis, diabetes, asthma, etc. Old days are very painful, especially nowadays when there is so much of air and water pollution. Relationships are not good. You are fully dependent on medicines and physiotherapy. There is no one to look after as everybody is busy in themselves. There is no source of income. Entire life we are after pleasure in order to avoid pain. Truly speaking, there is no pleasure in life. We have fear of pain, and in order to avoid the pain, we crave for pleasure. Nobody even talks about pain, they are only busy after something, anticipating some pleasure at the end of the action. When people talk to each other, they only talk about the pleasure, they will seldom talk about pain. Had there been no pain, there would have been no pleasure. Can pain be overcome in life? Is there a way by which pain can be averted? Pain cannot be overcome in life. The day you realize this, some pain can be relieved. We need not to run from the pain. As the pain strikes, just be calm. Do not move, let it come and pass. Many times thinking about pain is more painful than the pain itself. Pain will come like a wave and then pass. There is nothing in life which is permanent, including life. Of course, when you meet some accident and get injured, you are in tremendous pain, and that time you urgently need hospital where doctors can take care of you. When you fail in your exam or miss some golden opportunity, you go into depression. There is mental pain, and that time you need support of your family. If someone close to you dies, you go into trauma. There is grief, there is pain, and that time you need to go to some temple, church, or mosque. All do give temporary relief from pain, but if you are awakened or full of wisdom, then you can understand pain. Once you understand pain, then pain will be there, but you have the strength to overcome the pain, as now you are not trying to evade it.